Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Chat Studio. I'm Nina, and I'm really happy you're joining us today for another relaxing English lesson and conversation.
Hey everyone, I'm Mon, and it's lovely to have you here again. Honestly, today's topic is one of the most useful grammar topics for real conversations.
Oh, definitely. This is the kind of grammar that native speakers use all the time without even thinking about it.
Exactly. Today, we're talking about the present continuous tense. If you've ever wanted to describe what's happening right now in English, this tense is perfect for you.
And don't worry if grammar feels difficult sometimes. We're going to explain everything step by step in a simple and natural way.
By the end of this episode, you'll know how to make present continuous sentences, questions, and negatives confidently.
We'll also show you how native speakers use this tense naturally in daily life, not just in textbooks.
That's really important because real English sounds different from textbook English sometimes.
Very true. And honestly, when I first started learning another language, present tenses confused me so much.
Same here, especially when people started speaking quickly. I'd think, wait, what tense was that?
Exactly. But once you practice with real examples, it becomes much easier.
So listeners, here's our question for you today. What are you doing right now while listening to this podcast?
Maybe you're drinking tea, traveling to work, or relaxing at home. Try writing your answer in the comments using the present continuous tense.
Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to English Chat Studio so you never miss our weekly English conversations.
All right then, grab your coffee or tea, get comfortable, and let's start learning together. Let's begin with the basic structure of the present continuous tense. All right, so the first thing you need to know is the structure. The present continuous tense is actually very simple once you understand the pattern. The formula is subject plus am, is, are, plus verb ing. Verb ing. For example, I am reading. She is working. They are studying.
Notice that we use different forms of the verb to be. I uses am. He, she, and it use is. We, you, and they use are.
Exactly. And then we add ing to the main verb.
Let's look at more examples. I'm drinking coffee. He's watching television. We're learning English.
These are all actions happening right now, at this moment.
That's the main use of the present continuous tense. We use it for actions happening now or around now.
For example, I'm talking to you. You're listening to this podcast. My neighbor is playing loud music again.
Oh no. Is that happening today?
Sadly, yes. He loves music very much.
Hopefully he's playing something good.
Not really.
That's unfortunate.
Now, listeners, notice how natural these sentences sound in conversation.
Native speakers use this tense constantly during daily life.
Let's practice together. Repeat after us. I'm learning English. She's cooking dinner. They're waiting for the bus.
Very good. Speaking aloud helps your pronunciation and confidence.
Now, let's talk about negative sentences.
The structure is subject plus am, is, are, plus not, plus verb ain't.
Examples. I'm not sleeping. He isn't working today. They aren't watching TV.
Native speakers often use contractions. Isn't, aren't, I'm not.
Contractions make your English sound more natural and relaxed.
Here are some real-life examples. I'm not feeling very energetic today. She isn't answering her phone. We aren't going out tonight.
Let's move to questions now.
The formula is am, is, are, plus subject, plus verbing.
Examples. Are you studying? Is she coming? Are they waiting outside?
Short answers are important too.
Yes, I am. No, she isn't. Here's a quick practice question for our listeners. Are you learning English every day these days?
And can you make your own present continuous question? Try writing it in the comments below.
Another important point. sometimes we use the present continuous for temporary situations.
Exactly. For example, I'm staying with my cousin this week. She's working in Manchester this month.
These situations are temporary, not permanent.
Compare these. I live in London. That's permanent.
But I'm staying in London this month. That's temporary.
That small difference changes the meaning completely.
Let's review quickly. The structure is subject plus am, is, are, plus verbing. We use it for actions happening now and temporary situations.
Brilliant. That's the foundation of the present continuous tense.
Now let's build on that and look at how people use this tense naturally in daily conversations.
Ah, yes. This is where English starts sounding more real and relaxed.
Imagine you're calling a friend,
You might ask, what are you doing?
and the friend could answer, I'm watching a film, or I'm cooking dinner.
Very natural English.
Here's another example. I'm waiting for the train. We're sitting in a cafe. My brother's studying upstairs.
Native speakers often shorten words while speaking.
I am becomes I'm. They are becomes they're.
These contractions sound smoother and friendlier. Let's do a mini dialogue.
All right. Hey, where are you going?
I'm meeting a friend in town.
Oh, nice. Are you taking the train?
No, I'm driving today.
That conversation sounds very natural and realistic.
And listeners, notice how often the present continuous appears in daily speaking.
Exactly. It's one of the most common tenses in spoken English.
Another important use is for changing situations.
Like, the weather is getting colder. My English is improving. More people are learning online these days.
These changes happen gradually over time.
Here's something interesting. We also use the present continuous for future plans.
Yes, especially planned arrangements.
For example, I'm meeting Sarah tomorrow. We're traveling next weekend. He's visiting his parents tonight.
These plans are already arranged.
Compare this. I'll visit London someday. That's a future idea.
But I'm visiting London next Friday. That's a real arranged plan.
Very useful difference.
Let's talk about formal and informal English quickly.
Informal, I'm popping to the shops.
More formal, I'm going to the shops.
Informal British English often sounds shorter and more relaxed.
Here's a quick practice activity. Complete this sentence. I'm currently...
Maybe I'm currently studying for exams. Or I'm currently listening to a podcast.
Great examples.
Here are 3 useful tips. First, always remember the to be verb. Second, don't forget ing. Third, practice speaking naturally, not perfectly.
I love that last tip because confidence grows through practice.
Absolutely. Nobody becomes fluent overnight.
Listeners, tell us in the comments, what are you doing this weekend?
Try using at least 2 present continuous sentences.
And say your answers aloud too. Your speaking muscles need practice just like your brain does.
Before we continue, let's review. The present continuous helps us describe actions happening now, temporary situations, changes, and future arrangements.
All right, let's move to another really important part of natural English.
This section is about sounding more natural and expressive while using the present continuous.
Native speakers often use emotional tone with this tense.
For example, I'm really enjoying this weather. She's feeling stressed lately. They're having a brilliant holiday.
Notice how emotion and feeling make the sentences sound more human.
Exactly. Grammar isn't only structure, it's communication.
Here's a practical situation. Imagine you're at work.
Your colleague asks, "What are you working on?"
You reply, I'm preparing a presentation for tomorrow.
Another example, I'm replying to emails. We're discussing a new project.
Very realistic office English.
Here's a travel example. We're staying near the city center. I'm waiting at the airport. The train isn't arriving on time.
Sadly, that happens quite often.
especially in rainy weather.
Oh, definitely.
Let's talk about pronunciation for a moment.
Good idea. Many learners pronounce ing too strongly.
Native speakers often soften it slightly. Workin', talkin', waitin'.
Try listening carefully to native conversations and shadowing their rhythm. Shadowing means listening and repeating immediately after the speaker. It's one of the best ways to improve natural speaking.
Let's practice together. I'm learning English. She's talking on the phone. They're walking home.
Excellent.
Here's another useful point. Some verbs usually don't use the present continuous.
Such as know, believe, understand, love, need.
So we normally say, I know the answer, not I'm knowing the answer.
That mistake is very common among learners.
Let's do a mini speaking challenge. Describe your current situation right now using 3 present continuous sentences.
Maybe I'm sitting in my room. I'm listening carefully. I'm practicing English.
Simple but effective.
And listeners, don't worry about perfection. Focus on communicating clearly.
Exactly. Fluency grows through consistent practice.
Before we move on, let's review the key structure again. Subject plus am, is, are, plus verbing.
Actions now, temporary situations, changing situations, and future arrangements.
Those are the big uses of the present continuous.
Now let's talk about common mistakes learners make with this tense.
And honestly, everyone makes these mistakes sometimes.
Mistake number 1, forgetting the to be verb.
Incorrect, she working today. Correct, she is working today.
The verb to be is essential in the present continuous.
Mistake number 2, forgetting ing.
Incorrect, I am study English. Correct, I am studying English.
The ing form is necessary.
Mistake number 3, using stative verbs incorrectly.
Incorrect, I'm understanding. Correct, I understand.
Some verbs usually stay in the simple present.
Mistake number 4, using the wrong tense for routines.
Incorrect, I'm going to work every day.
Better, I go to work every day.
Because routines usually use the simple present.
Here's a funny example. A learner once said, I'm loving vegetables every day.
That sounds like the vegetables are very dramatic.
Exactly.
The more natural sentence is, I love vegetables.
Let's practice corrections. Incorrect. They watching TV.
Correct. They are watching TV.
Incorrect. She is drive home.
Correct. She is driving home.
And listeners, please remember, making mistakes is completely normal.
Every mistake teaches you something new.
Confidence comes from practice, not perfection.
Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep trying.
That's how real progress happens.
All right, everyone. It's time for some interactive practice.
We're going to play Choose the Correct Sentence.
Situation 1. Option A, she is cooking dinner. Option B, she cooking dinner.
Option A is correct because we need is.
Situation 2. Option A, they are watch TV. Option B, they are watching TV.
Option B is correct because we need the ing form.
Situation 3. Option A, I'm meeting my friend tomorrow. Option B, I meet my friend tomorrow.
Option A sounds more natural for arranged future plans.
Situation 4. Option A, he's understanding the lesson. Option B, he understands the lesson.
Option B is correct because understand usually doesn't use the present continuous.
Situation 5. Option A, we're staying in a hotel this week. Option B, we stay in a hotel this week.
Option A is better because the situation is temporary.
Brilliant work, everyone.
And remember to speak your answers aloud.
Speaking helps grammar become automatic and natural.
Here's your challenge for today. Create 3 present continuous sentences about your life right now.
And if you'd like, share them in the comments. We genuinely enjoy reading your examples.
Real conversation matters more than perfect grammar every second.
Wow, today's lesson was packed with useful English.
Definitely. We covered the present continuous tense in a practical and natural way.
We learned how to make positive sentences, negatives, and questions.
We also talked about temporary situations, changing situations, and future arrangements.
And we explored common mistakes so you can avoid them in real conversations.
The three big things to remember are use am, is, or are, add ing to the verb, and use this tense for actions happening now.
Keep practicing with real-life examples from your own daily routine.
The more personal your English becomes, the easier it feels.
Before we finish, tell us in the comments, what are you doing this week?
And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to English Chat Studio for more relaxing English conversations and lessons.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today. We truly appreciate it.
Keep learning, keep speaking, stay confident, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. See you next time.